What's up, everybody? It's your boy Jamel back with another embroidery video slash tutorial. Y'all see the SC1900 in the back. You see the Happy Japan right here. Today we're gonna be using the SC1900 and we're gonna be embroidering out the Saints Fleur de Lis sign and the Mardi Gras colors. Y'all see that thing? Look at the stitching on that thing. It looks beautiful, don't it? You can pick this design up right now on my Etsy page. The link is in the description below. I do have the file types in the description on my Etsy page. So if you see the file type that works with your machine at home, go ahead and purchase it. It will be available in a 4x4 size and a 5x5 size, everybody. So before we get to the video, go ahead, hit that thumbs up button. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification bell. Every time I upload a new video, you get a notification. Now this video won't be super long because I'm going to speed through the video just to show y'all how this design is going to stitch out on your machine at home. So I'm going to play some music. It's a beat that I made. Somebody did ask me where do I get my music for my videos that I play. I do make my own music in my videos, so I'm going to play the music in this video, let it stitch out, y'all enjoy, and we're about to go over to the SC1900 and get this thing stitched out. Alright, let's go. Alright, that's the end of the video, everybody. I hope y'all like the way the design stitched out. I hope y'all like the design. This is it right here, everybody. Y'all go ahead to my Etsy page, purchase this design. Y'all see the front of that thing. Beautiful stitching. And that's the back of it. Nice and flat. No bird nesting or nothing like that. So y'all go ahead, go to my Etsy page. Link is in the description below. Purchase this design and make you some merchandise for Mardi Gras. You know, y'all can start getting ready for Mardi Gras. You can make you some Saints towels with this symbol. Make you some hats. I made this hat myself. This hat will be available on my website at demidiorboutique.net. That link is also in the description. Go ahead and check out my website. See if you like anything on the website. And go ahead and purchase it. The hat is not up there yet, but it's going to be up there soon. So be on the lookout for that. This design is on my Etsy page only. That link is in the description below. So go ahead and click that link. Purchase your design. Make you some merchandise, everybody. Thank y'all for watching the video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on your post notification bell. Every time I upload a new video, you get a notification, everybody. And y'all know how I do it. This is the end of the video. And I'm out of this thing. Peace.